So, chords ng You Alone. So, yun. So, ang verse niya, hatiin natin sa 4 na part. Yung chords. Yung una ay G, B minor, tapos A minor, tapos D. So, you are the peace that guards my heart, my help in time of need. Tapos next part ay G, B minor, tapos C naman, C, tapos D. Okay, so you are the peace that guards my heart, my help in times of need. You are the hope that leads me on and brings me to my knees. So yung third part ay E minor, tapos B minor, tapos C, tapos G. G, ganyan, G. So, you are the peace that guards my heart, my help in times of need. You are the hope that leads me on and brings me to my knees. For there I find you waiting, and there I find relief. So last part ay A minor, tapos G, tapos C, tapos D. For there I find you waiting, and there I find relief. So with all my heart I worship, and unto you I'll sing. So yung chorus madali lang. C, D, B minor, and E minor. So parang 3 times siya. And then yung last part ay A minor, D, at saka G. So kung gagawin natin yung buong chorus ay For you alone deserve all glory, for you alone deserve all praise. Father, we worship and adore you. Father, we love to seek your face. So itong E minor, pwede mo siyang gawing E major. So, for you alone deserve all glory, for you alone deserve all praise. Father, we worship and adore you. Father, we long to see your face. For you alone deserve all glory, for you alone deserve all praise. Father, we love you. So A minor, Father, we love you. We love D, and we worship you. Tapos D. G, sorry, G.